cooking over a fire like this, the experience is that much more elevated because you're getting all of those flavors, those wild flavors just absorbed right into your food. You're kind of coating that meat in aromas of nature that are within really close reach to where this deer was harvested. Putting this little jacket of smoke and wood fire, it just enhances it all the more. I took half of a sirloin and filleted it into a sheet. Pound it out just slightly so that it flattens it out. And then start layering. Layer your chimichurri on there, get a little bit of melted cheese of some sort on there, a jack or a mozzarella. Roll it up. You can tie it or you can skewer it. Throw it right on the grill so that nothing unravels while it's cooking. If you want that rich, wild flavor to be more extreme, umami powder, mushroom powder on the outside with a little bit of salt. It's ridiculous. That's like the most earthy pop of that umami flavor that you can get. So taking it off of the grill, but as it's sort of chilling out, throwing some butter on top. Beautiful. Yeah, so it's probably a fancy word for it, but it's a steak roll-up.